You're not there. I call your name into the air. I wait for footsteps for a sign, but only silence answers mine. I stare at places we once knew, like they could somehow